However,
Papasok na
kumain na
sa
naman siya ng dalawang hook sa muka. Maganda yung timing ni Gabriel doon. He saw that left hand was down. He snuck in that right hook.
Good left hand again from Santissima.
Kaya na pa pumapasok yung hook straight na yun.
Medyo mababa din kasi yung depensa nito ni Bacalso.
Bacalso. Tas-
He's starting to get a little careless.
Then after he throws the straight, if Bacalso leans forward, nag-set up na ng uppercut si Gabriel dun. Let's see kung makukuha niya yung... If he can get the same timing.
Good right hand from
My
Gabriel
goodness.
Santissima. Perfectly timed.
Oh.
Never hook with a hooker, baby.
Beautiful.
Okay, good. Boom. So he hooked. Sakto yung timing. It was underneath. Hook. It went over. Boom. Yun.
And that is reminiscent of the Nonito Donaire check hook against Fernando
Oh,
Montiel.
yes.
Catch and shoot. Look at that. Look at that
Boom,
beautiful
boom.
right hook by Gabriel Santissima. Absolutely
Diba?
stunning.
Straight hook.
Na parang nandito yata sa building ang kapatid niya.
Oo.
Of course, I'm very proud.
Very
Kuya.
proud, kuya.
And,
Winner via knockout, Gabriel Santissima.
Via vicious knockout.
Vicious
If
na.
we may say.
Dapat ata next time meron ng classification. No?